Welcome to this training video on the Furno Intrax system. The Intrax ambulance system is an integrated approach to ambulance design that brings equipment and supplies into one cohesive environment. The Intrax system is a modular design based on a quick connect track and mount system that enables ambulances to be rapidly configured for specific missions. It's simple to adapt, adjust, maintain, and manage the Intrax system. Perhaps most importantly, the Intrax system is safe. It complies with multiple worldwide crash standards and enables EMS personnel access to supplies while they're seated and safely restrained in the back of the vehicle. The Intrax system features tracks that are built into the patient compartment walls. The tracks are designed to secure supplies and equipment within reach, thus improving the work environment. Large drop-in zones and smooth edges provide easy usability and are easy to clean. Tracks are formed of extruded aluminum for light weight and structured with internal channels for strength. Next, let's discover how to make Intrax work for you.